How to stay motivated, part 2. To stay motivated, be inspired by yourself. As well as determined, yes. You could if you really want to, yes. Oo, totoo. Okay. So, how to stay motivated, part 2. Watch the movies, watch TV shows, read books. How to stay motivated, part 2. Stay motivated as well as you should be, yes. How to stay motivated, part 2. Alam mo ang mga gagawin, isipin ng isipin. Kumain ng favorite desserts mo at kape. Para motivated ka, oo, okay. So, alam mo na, okay. How to stay motivated, part 2. Gumising na maaga, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., or 6 a.m. That should work, oo at totoo. It could and it will, just believe. Oo, okay. How to stay motivated, part 2. Read books, learn. Kumuha ng life coach. Oo, seryoso, totoo. Okay. So, how to stay motivated, part 2. Kumain ng favorite mong chichirya. Or foods. Oo, okay. How to stay motivated, part 2. List all your dreams, your wants, and then work your way out. How to stay motivated, part 2. Gumawa ng vision board. Engage yourself into arts and music. Or travel. Okay, so, how to stay motivated, part 2. Engage yourself into sports. Also, exercise. And have a healthy diet. Attend church mass every Sundays. Okay, how to stay motivated, part 2. Be kind to others, do the things that you love. Mag-social media, PM, DM, chat, Viber, Facebook, Instagram. Oo, okay, so Instagram. How to stay motivated, part 2. Video call, phone call, text. Have friends with you. For you to talk to someone. Nakakagaan ng pakiramdam, totoo, okay. So, how to stay motivated, part 2. Stay the same. How to stay motivated, part 2. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy the things that you have. How to stay motivated, part 2. Believe in your own set of skills, talents, and abilities. Oh, okay, so how to stay motivated, part 2. Life is good, God is good. Mabait po si God, kaya pray to Him. Always okay. How to stay motivated, part 2. Kilala mo ang sarili mo, be happy. Think positive, okay. So, how to stay motivated, part 2. 2 things, inspire, determination. Yes, okay, 2 words. Kaya mo. Okay, so, how to stay motivated, part 2. Pumunta ng 7-Eleven, Jollibee, McDo, Tokyo, okay. Umorder ng fries, oo. Mag-cheese stick ka, street foods. Nakaka-motivate, okay. So, how to stay motivated, part 2. Enjoy life as it is. Alagaan ng sarili, have concern for yourself. Have a good attitude, oo, okay. So, how to stay motivated, part 2. Na-like mo na ba itong video na ito? Nakapag-subscribe ka na ba sa Speak Up Dear channel? Mag-comment ka na din. Baka mapag-iwanan ka. Dito ka lang at manood palagi sa mga video uploads ko. Okay. How to stay motivated, part 2. Live life as I have said. Mag-enjoy kung ano ang meron. Okay. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.